Good day! In this video, we are going to make use of the symbols greater than, less than, or equal sign after comparing two numbers. You can choose your answer as greater than, less than, or equal sign. Listen, kid. When you answer, include the expression 5 is greater than 1. Here are the questions. Number 1. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 11 is greater than 10. Repeat. Number 2. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 12 is greater than 10. Repeat. Number 3. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 10 is equal to 10. Repeat. Number 4. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 20 is greater than 10. Repeat. Number 5. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 20 is greater than 12. Number 6. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 22 is greater than 12. Number 7. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 22 is less than 32. Repeat. Number 8. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 32 is equal to 32. Number 9. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 23 is greater than 12. Number 10. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 23 is greater than 17. Number 11. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 26 is greater than 13. Repeat. Number 12. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 20 is greater than 13. Repeat. 13. Complete the expression. The correct answer: 20 is greater than 14. Repeat. Number 14. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 24 is greater than 16. Repeat. 15. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 44 is less than 56. Repeat. 16. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 42 is less than 53. Repeat. Number 17. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 46 is less than 58. Repeat. Number 18. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 67 is equal to 67. Repeat. Number 19. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 49 is less than 65. Repeat. Number 20. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 70 is equal to 70. Repeat. Number 21. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 77 is greater than 17. Repeat. Number 22. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 79 is less than 80. Repeat. Number 23. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 98 is greater than 90. Repeat. Number 24. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 99 is greater than 89. Number 25. Complete the expression. The correct answer, 79 is less than 80. Congratulations! Now you are an expert in comparing two numbers using our symbols. Hey, ang mga anak niyo ba ay interesado sa math kahit kinder pa lang? Please let me know. May libreng tutorial. This is brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.